At Canadian Valley Technology Center in Chickasha, Oklahoma, we prepare people to succeed through quality career and technical education programs and services. More specifically, in the welding program, students gain the knowledge and skills necessary to gain employment as an entry-level or higher welder upon completion of the program. Students learn to weld with a wide variety of welding processes, as well as learning oxyacetylene and plasma arc cutting techniques. Shielded metal arc welding, better known as stick welding or welding with welding rods, is one of the primary processes that students focus on at the beginning of the program. It gives them the ability to strike and maintain an arc, as well as enabling them to establish and control a consistent weld puddle. This provides them the basic fundamentals of the welding processes that they will apply to the other processes that they learn later in the course. Students will learn to weld in any and all positions, including flat, horizontal, vertical, and overhead. 4 different types of gas metal arc welding, also known as wire welding or MIG welding, are offered as well. Short circuit, spray arc, flux cord, and aluminum wire welding are all widely used in fabrication shops and companies all over the world to build a wide range of products, from horse trailers to railroad cars to Navy ships. For those students who want to work on the pipelines or in the oil field, a pipe welding course is the way to go in this class. Every student will have the opportunity to take an Oklahoma Department of Labor pipe certification test upon completion of the pipe portion of the program. Lastly, gas tungsten arc welding, more commonly known as TIG welding, is available to the students who want to challenge themselves in the field of TIG welding. This process requires great hand-eye coordination, as well as the ability to control the heat of your weld puddle with a foot control. Successful completion of any one of these processes will make a student employable as a welder, but the more they can complete, the more employable they become. I got our welding class motto from a football coach, but in reality, it can apply to many different things, and I felt that it definitely applies to welders. It reads, "Amateurs practice until they get it right, but professionals practice until they can't get it wrong." Thanks for watching.